Welcome back guys, this is Matt and today we're gonna see how to hide friends list on Facebook in 2022. So the process is very simple, it's just a little bit hidden, but I'm gonna walk you guys through every step you need to do in order to hide your friends list on Facebook. So if you are on your home feed, you need to go ahead and click on the menu icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then you need to scroll down until it says settings and privacy. Then we need to click on privacy shortcuts. And here it says privacy. We see more privacy settings. We click on that. We scroll down and we see who can see the people, pages and lists you follow. So we click here and now we have 3 options. But if we click more, 2 more options appear, and this is basically asking us to set who can see the list of people and pages that we follow, the friends that we have on Facebook. If we just other friends except someone, specific friends, or only me. If we put it on only me, we will be the only one who can see our friend list. So neither our friends or neither people we are not friends with or specific people, nobody will be able to see our friends list on Facebook. So once we're done with this, we can go back and the setting will be saved automatically. So let me know guys if you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing and liking this video.